Ito. What? So what's good everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. So na-miss ko yung Jamiel and maraming nagre-request na balik reaction videos na daw ako sa Jamiel kasi naghihintay na. Pasensya na po talaga, no? May mga personal ano lang talaga ako, matters na parang, just very personal. Anyway, hopefully tuloy-tuloy na to. So, may nakita ko sa TikTok. Okay, may nakita ko sa TikTok na clip which yung Jamiel pala, nag-perform sila sa Tagbilaran, Mutya ng Tagbilaran. If I'm not mistaken, sa Bolto, Tagbilaran City. So, noong June 30, 2026. And yung pinerform nila, isa sa mga performance nila or songs nila dito is yung My Heart Will Go On, na isa din sa very iconic performances ng Jamiel nung nasa Tawag ng Tanghalan pa sila. One of the performances na talagang made them known or famous kasi sobrang nakakakilig doon. Mix yung mararamdaman mo dito, kilig, yung emosyon ng kanta, and it's just wonderful. Okay? So, na-miss ko din tong kantang to or performance na to. So, let's go. If hindi kayo naka-follow sa akin sa Facebook, please do follow me on Facebook and TikTok. And on Instagram, if gusto nyo lang ng mga personal na mga updates dyan, please do subscribe if hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe sa akin. Okay? With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
But before that, let's be entertained one more time by the Tawag ng Tanghalan Duo Champion and your face sounds familiar winner, JM and Mariel Jamiel.
Grabe, no? Dalawang championship na pala to sila eh. Tawag ng Tanghalan tsaka your face. Woo! Nakaka-excite. In fairness, ang ganda ng stage ng production ng Mutya ng Tagbilaran, ha? Hindi basta-basta. Yung blending talaga eh. Beautiful. Love it. Ganda talaga ng salon ni blending. Ganda. Yung pa lang yun, ha? Halimaw talaga tong si JM eh. What? Woo! Go on. That was beautiful. Eto na yun, oh. Isa pa. Ito. What? Halimaw talaga si JM eh. What? Woo! Soft tones. Yes. Kiss na yarn. Daming kinilig ah. Nadamay pa ako ah. Okay. Wait lang. Eto. Okay. Alam mo yung magre-react ka sa Jamiel, kabisado mo na yung kanta. I mean, hindi ko naman kabisado like plakadong-plakado, but I'm somehow familiar with it already kasi 'di ba, ilang performances na ng My Heart Will Go On yung pinanood natin in the past, ginawan ko ng reaction, but it doesn't fail to amaze me. Like, jaw-dropping performance pa rin. Especially yung mga money notes ni JM. Mariel did really well on this one. Siguro sa arrangement lang, parang mas na-highlight yung ability ni JM kasi sa kantang to in terms of the high notes. Kaya sabi ko, na paulit-ulit, halimaw talaga si JM, magaling. But don't get me wrong, I love Mariel. Sobrang linis. Crystal clear yung mga notes. Tapos yung pronunciation, pareha sila. Ang gagaling. Diction, very crispy. Clear. Okay? But again, sa arrangement na to, ang ability ni JM talaga yung parang na-emphasize in terms of harmonization and then the money notes, yung high notes, like one of a kind. I think para sa akin, bias aside, talagang, eto, with all honesty, I think walang makakatalo kay JM ngayon na singer sa ASAP pagdating sa high notes. May mga pwede, but JM pa rin ako. Linis, power, clarity, technique. Suabe. JM all the way. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Grabe, no? Naip ako bigla. No? So ano pa? Ano pang gusto nyo? Okay? I-comment nyo dito. And I am going to do my best. I'll try my best na gawan ko pa. Like, babalik tayo sa dati, no? Na, like, every day may upload tayo. Kahit isa lang or dalawa. Every day, I'll try my best. Starting today, okay? This will be the first video sa pagbalik ko sa YouTube and hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na. And kahit hindi Jamiel, kung gusto nyong like P-pop group or may mga gusto kayong ipa-react sa akin. Oh, by the way, I'm going to react to Laika Estrella again. For the longest time, I missed Laika Estrella. I think may Regine Velasquez song siya na pinerform sa studio. Yung parang Laika Estrella live. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. I think that's the song na gagawin ko ng reaction. So, maghintay kayo dyan and do comment down below if kung ano pa yung gusto nyo. Okay? Nahype ako ah. Sobrang ganda. Hands down. Like, hands down. Okay? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.